shit, I don't know what to say. What up, guys? Hey, guys. Welcome, guys. What up, guys? Welcome to the Cam's View. Today I'm going to be discussing my 2007 Honda CR-V LX. So I currently have a platform bed in it that I built. It's on 2 hinges so that the seats can fold back up, and then the platform actually folds into itself, and then when the seats are down it unfolds and there's legs that fall below. So yeah, with that being said, let's get right into it. So first we start by folding all of the seats down. So this is the platform bed when it is folded up, and then I've got some like camping stuff underneath here. But the bed is made of 3 parts, and they are connected by a piano hinge that's right here, and then underneath this board is another board that is on a piano hinge, and I believe this is 1/2 inch plywood, and then I've got supports on each side, and then as you can see there's a 2x4 that runs underneath, and right here we also have another support that goes across that it lays on top of. Then here's that second piano hinge, and here are the legs. Also, this is like for subflooring in the house.
What the hell?
This goes beneath like laminate flooring, but I put it on here because it's good at holding out moisture, and also it'll provide a little bit of insulation as well when you're sleeping. So the way this works is I step in right here, I grab it, you lift upward. I have one leg secured, and this leg falls down about like that. And then as you can see right here, I have it's like an elastic hairband that I use to hold it up. All you do is you just take it off of this hook right here. The leg falls down, lift up. Boom, there you have your support. So as you can see, this is my 2007 Honda CR-V LX. I believe it is an all-wheel drive sport utility vehicle. I had a great time with my friend Ryan Brooks. I didn't do this at all by myself. I couldn't have done it by myself. I'm gonna put his channel in the description below. He helped me with everything. I'm very thankful that his uncle was able to lend me wood and tools and everything like that so that I could actually do this, and I'm so thankful that I had Ryan to be able to do this with me, so I didn't have just my idea and we could like combine both of ours, and we were able to figure this out. And then my end goal with this car is whenever I go camping, I want to be able to go camping for like a week at a time if I have the time to do that. And I just talked with somebody on Facebook, and they are giving me a really good deal on a portable power station that comes with a solar panel kit, so that I have endless power as far as charging my phone, my cameras, and all that stuff. And like I said, I can fold this thing back up, throw the seats up, and have friends come for a ride, you know. And October 8th we're gonna be going to Oktoberfest in Helen, Georgia. I'm gonna be recording some of that stuff also. I think that's gonna be pretty fun, and it's gonna be a great time, you know. So with that being said, I hope you guys like the video. Be sure to subscribe if you like what you saw. Turn on those notifications. I plan on making more videos and just showing what I do in general. This channel is going to be not just for camping and outdoor stuff, but also like photography. I'm getting really big into photography, more so macro photography than like portraits and stuff like that. So like taking close-up photos. So I've been spending a lot of my time doing that. But I think I'm just going to use this channel to document my life and just have memories, you know, for one day if I'm not able to remember some stuff, I can come back on here and look at it. So I appreciate you guys watching, And peace out.